Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming the prerequisites, your iPhone model and iOS version. Once done, open Settings and update iOS if needed. Make sure apps that use live activities are installed. Next, enable notifications for those apps in Settings Notifications so the island can receive activity data. You're starting the process now. Don't linger on basics. Check model and update, then move immediately to app permission settings so the system can present that interactive pill at the top. You now enable the features that feed the dynamic island. First, open Settings Face ID and passcode and allow live activities on the lock screen. This ensures the island receives updates even when locked. Then, in Settings Notifications, select each app and toggle on live activities. Also enable sounds and banners as needed. Make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb isn't silencing those apps. You can exempt them so updates still surface. These steps let the island display real-time content from apps. Finish by restarting your iPhone to apply all permission and notification changes. That often wakes the dynamic island. Next, open a supported app, start navigation, play music, or trigger a live order status, and watch the island animate with status info. If nothing appears, make sure the app actually supports live activities, check focus and notification exemptions again, then try reinstalling the app or resetting network/settings as a last step. If problems persist, contact Apple support, but typically
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.